Good morning, students. So in the last lecture we had seen the derivative of composite function and some examples, right? So now let us start with the first exercise 1.1. We have to differentiate the following function with respect to x. Now the first one is y is equal to x square minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. Now this is of the form x raised to n. So what is the derivative of x raised to n? N x raised to n minus 1. So differentiating with respect to x, 5 will come down, x square minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4 derivative of x square minus 2x minus 1. So d by dx of x square minus 2x minus 1. So that means you have to take the derivative of this function again. So it is a composite function, it is of the form x raised to n. So 5, this bracket as it is. What is the derivative of x square? 2x. Derivative of minus 2x minus 2. Next example. Suppose your function is y is equal to square root of x square plus 4x minus 7. So differentiating with respect to x. Now this is of the form root x. So what is the derivative of root x? 1 upon 2 root x. So same thing here. Derivative of root x square plus 4x minus 7 will be 1 upon 2 root x square plus 4x minus 7. Again we have to take the derivative of this term. x के बदले ये term है, that means आपको इसका वापस derivative लेना है. So x square plus 4x minus 7. So 1 upon 2 square root of x square plus 4x minus 7 as it is. What is the derivative of x square? 2x. Derivative of 4x 4 and derivative of 7 is 0. तो 0 नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा. So 1 upon 2 square root of x square plus 4x minus 7 into what is the derivative of x square? हाँ वो तो हो गया, right? Now I have taken 2 common here. 2 will get cancelled. So what left? X plus 2 upon square root of x square plus 4x minus 7. समझ में आ रहा है यहाँ तक? Now the third question. Suppose your y is square root of x square plus square root of x square plus 1. So differentiating with respect to it. Again it is of the form root x, right? Standard function root x के जैसे है. So what is the derivative of root x? 1 upon 2 root x. So differentiating with respect to x, you will get 1 upon 2 square root of x square plus square root of x square plus 1. Again you have to take the derivative of this term, x square plus square root of x square plus 1. So 1 upon 2 square root of x square plus square root of x square plus 1. d by dx इसको लगाए, that means आपको इसका derivative लेना है. So what is the derivative of x square? 2x plus इसका भी derivative लेना है, plus है ना, the derivative of this term plus derivative of this term. Again ये root x के form में है, so derivative of root x square plus 1 will be 1 upon 2 root x square plus 1. Again derivative of x square plus 1 2x. मैंने डायरेक्ट किया है, 2 will get cancelled, right? So we can keep as it is or simplify in the bracket. You will get 1 upon 2 square root of x square plus square root of x square plus 1 in the bracket 2x plus x upon square root of x square plus 1. Now the next is y is equal to square root of 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon square root of 3x minus 5 whole raised to 5. So differentiating with respect to x. So it is of the form root x. So x raised to n. It is of the form x raised to n. So what is the derivative of x raised to n? N x raised to n minus 1. तो 5 नीचे आएगा, this whole bracket raised to 4. Again derivative of 3x square root of 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon square root of 3x minus 5 base का derivative. So is equal to, ये bracket वैसे ही रहेगा. What is the derivative of root 1 upon 2 root 3x minus 5. Again derivative of square root के अंदर जो term है उसका derivative 3x minus 5. Now here I will simplify this first. How will I write 1 upon root? I will write 3x minus 5 raised to minus 5. देखो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस टर्म माइनस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस टर्म, तो उसके लिए पहले मैंने उसको रेज टू माइनस हाफ में लिखा है. सो इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन ये ब्रैकेट वैसे ही. व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 3x minus 5? 3 upon 2 minus half will come down, index reduced by 1. So minus half minus 1 will be minus t by 2. Again derivative of the base 3x minus 5, right? So ये वैसे रहेगा 3 upon minus 1 by 2 square root 3x minus 5 raised to minus t by 2 into derivative of 3x is 3. इसको पहले लिख लो upon 2. So this is the answer. The now composite function y is equal to cos x square plus a square. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx will be minus sin x square plus a square, derivative of x square plus a square, right? Cos का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? माइनस साइन, लेकिन एंगल इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर. सो अगेन आई हैव टू टेक द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस टर्म. So minus will be as it is. What is the derivative of x square? 2x. Derivative of a square is 0. It is a constant term. So वो नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा. So ये यहाँ खत्म. Next. Y is equal to log of tan x by 2. So differentiating with respect to x. Now it is of the form log x, right? Standard function log x. What is the derivative of log x? 1 upon tan x by 2 into derivative of tan x by 2. So 1 upon tan x by 2. What is the derivative of tan x by 2? Sec square x by 2 into derivative of the angle x by 2. So tan क्या होता है? Cot. 1 upon tan is cot. So I have written cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2. Sec square 1 upon cos square x by 2. You have to simplify this. And derivative of x by 2 is half. So in the next line, cos 1 cos will get cancelled. So sin x by 2 cos x by 2 बचेगा और ये 2 यहाँ लिखा है मैंने, राइट, इज इक्वल टू. तो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ व्हाट? 2 sin थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा sin 2 थीटा डबल एंगल. सो sin x, राइट, x by 2 का डबल होगा x. 1 अपॉन sin x इज व्हाट? cosec x. नाउ नेक्स्ट, y इज इक्वल टू cot क्यूब in the bracket log of x cube. Cot cube, it is of the form something x raised to n. So 3 नीचे आएगा, 3 cot square cot x cube, derivative of base cot log x cube, right? So 3 cot square log x cube वैसे रहेगा. What is the derivative of cot? Minus cosec square 3 log x. देखो मैंने यहाँ लिखा है log x cube can be written as 3 log x into derivative of the angle log x cube can be written as 3 log x using logarithmic laws, right? 3 will come down. d by dx इसको लगाए, that means इसका डेरिवेटिव लेना है बाद में. So minus 3 cot square log x cube into cosec square 3 log x into what is 3 is constant. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So this is the answer, or you can write one more step, 3 into 3, that is minus 9. Next one, y is equal to 5 raised to sin square x plus t. So it is something like a raised to x. So what is the derivative of a raised to x? A raised to x log 5. So same thing here, 5 raised to sin square x plus t into log 5. Again derivative of the index is sin square x plus t. So I have taken the derivative of sin square x plus t, right? x के बदले आपके पास sin square x plus 3 है, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव लेना है. सो इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन ये वैसे रहेगा log 5 इंटू व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin स्क्वायर 2 sin x. अगेन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin x cos x मैंने डायरेक्ट किया है, एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 3 इज 0, नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा. सी हियर व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin स्क्वायर x? 2 नीचे आएगा, 2 sin x. अगेन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin x, दैट इज cos x. 2 marks up. Next, y is equal to cosec root cot x. So differentiating with respect to x, what is the derivative of cosec? Minus cosec x into cot. Angle आपका root cot x है. Derivative of root cot 2x. See, angle is not x, root cot 2x. So root cot x का derivative. So this term as it is, what is the derivative of root cot 2x? 1 upon 2 root cot 2x. Again derivative of cot 2x. And see in the under the square root you have cot x. So cot x का derivative. So in the next line, this term as it is, 1 upon 2 root cot x. What is the derivative of cot x? Minus cosec square x. Root cot x का derivative 1 upon 2 root cot x, right? And derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Now let us see the last sum. Y is equal to tan cos sin x. What is the derivative of tan? Standard function sec square. So same, sec square cos sin x, लेकिन angle is cos sin x. So again I have taken the derivative of cos sin x angle. So sec square वैसे ही, what is the derivative of cos now? Cos का angle is sin. Cos का derivative क्या? Minus sin of sin x. Again derivative of sin x, क्योंकि angle is not x, angle is sin x. So sin x का derivative. तो in the next line ये दो term वैसे ही रहेंगे. What is the derivative of sin x? Minus cos x. तो minus sign मैंने बाहर दिया. So this is the last step.